training his body to the peak of physical perfection. He wants to take revenge on Jason. So what's the problem, Rebecca?
You know that I'm the president of the gardening club. I use compost to grow my tomatoes, but this morning the compost was gone!
You want me to investigate compost theft? Wow, that's a first.
Don't laugh! It's a tragedy! I'm taking part in the garden club competition, but without compost, my tomatoes have started to wither. Apparently someone doesn't want me to win!
You okay, Karate Kid?
You can laugh, but I'm going to be the total investigator with mind and muscle.
Ouch! We can train together if you like. I'll show you how to master that throw.
Really? Cool. Oh, ouch.
Working on a new case, guys. Any news for the school paper? It's not news that goes into your paper, Stephanie. It's lies. She accused me of cheating in a judo competition without a shred of evidence.
Aren't you supposed to check your information?
Hey, I don't need some clown detective to tell me how to do my job. Exclusive! The principal has been wearing the same socks all week. What a muckraker! One of these days she'll get what's coming to her.
Hey, Doowee, we've got a rather peculiar case.
Who on earth would want to steal compost?
I have a possible suspect, George. He's Rebecca's main rival for the garden club competition.
Yeah, why not? Hey, what if it was Stephanie? You know, to get a scoop.
Nah, she's not the type to get her hands actually dirty. And will you stop that? You're ridiculous! All right, let's go and take a look at Rebecca and George's gardens.
And test my new invention. With my universal analyzer, I can verify the composition of anything. Am I a genius or am I?
Look, our thief didn't take all of Rebecca's compost. Probably was in a hurry.
This compost is composed of leaves, twigs, and, blue cheese? Oh boy, this compost really stinks.
So if that's what George is using, we've got our compost thief.
This compost is made of grass cuttings, weeds, and, French fries.
I told you I was innocent.
Okay, so you didn't use Rebecca's compost on your own tomatoes, but you could have stolen it to sabotage her chances.
What? I've withdrawn from the competition while her compost is missing.
In that case, excuse us, George.
What I don't understand is why your compost wasn't stolen too.
I've no idea. To be frank, Rebecca's smells a little. Probably the blue cheese she puts into it.
Oh, that's our chief suspect gone, and no clues.
Our only chance now is to catch the culprit in the act.
But to do that, Rebecca needs more compost.
I get all my compost from my uncle's garden. It's just up ahead.
Hi there. You know, Dewey, if you want to build up muscles, you have to grab every chance, like I'm doing.
Jason's right. I need to exercise my muscles.
Doowee, could you help us put the compost in the wheelbarrow?
Coming!
Oh no! The compost is gone!
Who knew that you were getting compost from your uncle?
Lots of people. In one of my articles for the gardening club, I mentioned that I'm coming here several times a week. But I won't let my tomatoes die. I'll just have to find fresh compost somewhere else. But where?
At the compost market.
The compost market?
Yep. I just looked on the internet and believe it or not, there's a compost market nearby.
I have to find compost compost that's similar to my uncle's. I know it's a bit smelly, but my tomatoes really thrive on it.
Homemade compost, 100% organic. Perfect for all flowers and vegetables.
Decayed straw, twigs, and tyres?
Tyres? 100% organic, my eye. You're a crook, mister.
Grass cuttings, rotten fruit, and horse manure?
Yeah, a horse manure. A personal recipe. Very efficient.
Come here, ladies and gents, the best compost in town.
Decayed hay, leaves, twigs, and goat cheese.
Hey, that's pretty close to my compost. I'll have 2 bags.
I can't feel my arms anymore.
You're doing great, Doowee.
Aha! Our investigators. Any progress? Have you found the stolen compost? Any idea who the guilty party is?
You can tell your concerned readers that Rebecca's back in business with a fresh load of compost.
And Dewey's back is nearly broken. Oh!
With the fresh compost, my tomatoes should recover quickly.
And we've baited the compost trap. Are you sure we can trace this compost if someone tries to steal it tonight?
Definitely. Meet the muck tracker. If someone moves the compost tonight, I'll be immediately alerted and I'll be able to trace it.
And make sure you really stay on alert, right?
No problem. Total vigilance. Hi there, Jason. What are you doing here?
Well, you wanted us to train together, didn't you?
Yeah, that's right. It'll, be fun.
They took everything. Your bug didn't work.
It was actually me that didn't work. I slept like a log, sorry. The bug is signalling. That means the compost is on the move again. Look, the compost is at the school newspaper office. Stephanie's the thief. I told you so.
Yeah, you were right, Doowee. We should have kept her on our list of suspects. Blue cheese. It must be Rebecca's compost. SBI, where's the compost?
Huh? What are you talking about?
Rebecca's compost has been stolen again last night. The trail leads here.
If that's so, then go ahead and find it.
I don't get it. My pad is bleeping, but I don't see any compost anywhere.
Are you going to tell us where it is? Yes or no?
I've had it. My next paper is going to be about how the SBI harasses innocent people.
Okay, if the compost is here, but it's not in this room, where could it be?
When we arrived, I could smell Rebecca's compost. But here, inside the room, I can't smell it anymore. The roof!
Look out, Stephanie. Look out!
Oh, yuck! Disgusting!
You're not getting away with this!
See, I told you you'd master that throw. Yes, I stole the compost to get revenge on Stephanie. She wouldn't retract the lie she told about me.
And that's why you stole Rebecca's compost rather than George's, because it smells.
Yeah, the smell was a factor, but mostly I was going to take pictures of Stephanie covered in compost and post it all over the net. Unfortunately, you and Doowee saved her.
But Jason, you can't just take justice into your own hands.
Yeah, I realise that now. It's not cool. I'm sorry, Stephanie. Usually I'm a nice guy, but it really hurt me, you know. Oh, I I'm sorry too, Jason. I didn't want to hurt people. I'll write an article that clears your name and I'll make public apologies. And you guys are awesome detectives. You saved me from being covered in muck. Thanks. Here, give me a hug. Oh, wow. You reek.
They seem to be getting on really well.
Yeah, she's forgiven him and found an assistant with a strong arm.
Speaking of strong arm, are you still exercising?
Sure, look. I'm Hercules.